strike a good balance between the protection of innovation, which is critical, especially in that case in the pharmaceutical sector, and also making sure that access to medicines was advanced. So there was a new development, and so in 3 or 4 different areas, that was a place where the ball was moved forward, and issues that had been joined were brought to a better place, a greater degree of common ground. And I would suggest, Lionel, that what has happened in the years since, the 8 years since that time, is that that common ground has moved forward and new issues have developed. So if you think about it, trade policy today is about many different areas that touch all of our lives, whether it be labor standards or intellectual property rights or food safety standards, and are important issues that we welcome the debate that surrounds them, and yet also believe in the case of TPP and the other agreements that are being negotiated that we have reached places that are both protective, for example, of ensuring that our food regulatory authorities can establish the standards to ensure that our pharmaceutical products, our food products that we buy in the supermarket are safe for consumers, and where we're also able to ensure that our products are being able to be exported and the standards that are being applied to them there are fair and are ones that are based on, for example, are based on science, so that our exports have a fair chance to compete in other markets also.
So, we look at California and we see one of the most incredibly vibrant economies in the world right here in the state, incredibly diverse, from financial services here in San Francisco to high tech, agriculture. We are concerned about all of those areas, but also the protection of intellectual property, which goes across a whole range of sectors. This particular agreement will take care of what we need to take care of in regard to IP?
It will. It's a strong agreement on IP. And to start with, all parts of the agreement on IP are subject to dispute resolution procedures. One of the important aspects of our agreements is it's not just the rules, it's that the rules can be enforced if need be. Now, we try to work out most of our disagreements with our trading partners through conversation. My agency and the Commerce Department, the Agriculture Department, are meeting on a constant basis with our trading partners to try to resolve when problems arise, to try to resolve them in a way that is satisfactory. But when that's not possible, as is sometimes the case, we are able to use dispute resolution